Upon popular demand, ladies and gentlemen, this is Joe Lawnmower Man. Hey man, Jose Reyes.
How you guys doing today?
And it's and our special guest, the Godfather. Say hi, Godfather. Jesus, my Lord, Savior.
Amen.
Our Godfather's on the weather today, so we'll leave him be.
Well,
but hey man, we are going to do another crafting video.
Yes, sir.
Crafting, yes, because by popular demand from the crafting ladies, we're going to now do another crafting video. We're going to make this lawnmower.
What color we're going to make it?
We're going to make this beautiful.
Uh-huh.
Like right here, hot pink.
Hot pink?
Yep, and maybe purple.
Maybe some purple in there.
Yeah, okay.
So this is going to be in their honor, am I right?
Yeah, this is going to be the popular demand from the crafting ladies. Okay. Now, I got to do this really fast because idiot me has forgot to charge the phone. So, okay, we're going to set it up right now.
There it is.
You got it?
Yep. It's on it. And we just got to check here. There it is. You're on it.
Hey, see me, ladies and gentlemen?
They see you.
They see? Okay.
They see you.
Well, I'm going to do this really quick.
Yep.
Okay, ladies, the crafting ladies from demand. We're going to make this mower.
That's the pink one. There it is.
Hot pink.
Yep.
The ladies' favorite color.
Coming along nicely.
What's that?
Coming along nicely in the video.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm such an expert. You know.
Yeah, it looks good, brother.
It looks good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you know how everybody loves pink.
Yeah. Everybody loves pink.
What if I flush it?
They stick and they won't come up. Would you care for some help, by the way?
Oh yeah.
Not that I want to be.
Oh, no problem. You don't have time. This is my assistant, Hayman Jose Reyes, another crafter. We in the lawn care community are just we're crafters, sometimes. Why judge us? We're just crafters. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. A beautiful pink color. And you know what? And I will be daring. You know what I would say? Well, thinking of be doing lawn care with this mower? Yes. Absolutely we are.
You sure? That's sure.
Yeah, we're just nuts, man. Beautiful. Look at that. Picasso. Yeah, I'm going to work on the wheel.
Go ahead, brother. This is done. Check the video. Should be good still.
Still, yeah.
Still going.
Still going strong, ladies and gentlemen.
Amen.
Now we're going to do the wheel stuff. Oh man, this comes out.
Perfect.
Beautiful. We'll leave a minute to take the time.
Go for it. Oh man, it's pink.
Huh?
You can really see the pink on it.
Yeah, hot pink, yeah. Wow, look at that.
There it is.
Beautiful.
So
yes.
this here you're gonna paint it purple, of course, right?
That could be black. Maybe.
Oh yeah, brother. This
Oh, how about, let's see. Let's spice it up a little bit, ladies and gentlemen. How about yellow?
Oh, there it is.
Look at right there, it's yellow, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah.
Yeah. There it is.
There it is. Beautiful. I am such an artist.
Master Picasso.
We are artists and stuff. We are.
You're the master artist. Yes, sir.
Wow, looks beautiful, man. Look at that.
It's coming along on the screen. You see it real pink.
Like what? People say, what the heck are they doing?
Why are they messing up a flip machine? No way.
We're just painting to make it look pretty. That's all. Yeah, we're done. Now we got it, ladies and gentlemen, we got to add the ribbons to it. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen.
Ribbon.
We got a red ribbon.
Leave that seat.
And we got the white ribbon too. Let's see, I have it right here.
Yeah.
And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. This is Joe Lawnmower Man. And look at our beautiful craft artwork we did on the mower, man. Son of a gun, look at that.
In favor of the
In favor, hey, crafting on a budget. Yeehaw! At Tina's crafting, all you crafting ladies, man, we all love you, right, Jose?
Yes, sir. We sure do.
And the Godfather, well, he's recuperating. Yes, and hey, all you crafters out there, if you want to go to a crafting channel, go to Crafting on a Budget, and go to Tina's crafting too. I hope I didn't screw that up. Don't kill me if I screw this up, Tina, because go to her channel too. We got fine crafters, and also all the other ladies from Crafting on the Budget and their live stream. Go to their channel for great crafting ideas, great crafting entertainment. Go to that channel. That's a shout out to you, ladies, and I hope you like my project.
A great project on a budget.
Yep. Well, actually, not us. We just bought spray paint, but yeah.
This is our type of crafting project.
Crafting project, yes.
Yes, sir.
Because we are crafters, right, Jose?
Yes, sir. We sure are. On a budget. Now we could give this for a Christmas gift to someone special.
Yeah. Hey, we might push ball with this thing.
Oh, yeah.
That'll be our next video, ladies and gentlemen. Is you dare the Lawnmower Man to be pushing a pink mower doing lawn care?
Yep.
Well, actually, it'd be probably be doing leaves, but yeah, we're gonna do that.
Yep.
And you know.
It's beautiful. I like it.
Yep. And Godfather,
A little under the wheel, but
we hope you feel better, Godfather. Okay. All right, here we go.
it looks good, bro.
Looks good? Oh, cool. Hey, that painting dried that we did the last one.
It's right here. We have to
Yeah.
check that out. I haven't checked it.
Yeah, this is the painting that we did. This was a rush job right here. Yeah, we did that in the last video. So, yep. And we might do some more, huh?
It's dried up.
Yeah, it's dried up. Looks good.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Perfect.
So, this is Joe Lawnmower Man, and like I said, for great crafting videos, for great crafting live stream, go to Crafting on a Budget and go to Tina. Those are the two ladies I know for sure right now. It doesn't. There's other fun ladies out there too, but I'm not really familiar with your channel's name, so. But I'll give you a shout out the next time. So,
Beautiful.
yep. Crafting on a Budget, yeehaw! And don't forget Tina's too. Tina's crafting show or Tina's crafting channel. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I screwed up her name. I'm sorry, but she's got a great channel too.
Yep.
I want you all to go there and subscribe to her. So,
We sure will.
okay. This is Joey, Lawnmower Man, Handyman Jose Reyes, and we'll catch you soon on another exciting crafting video. Bye.
God bless.
Yeah.